What's up, guys? Are here we're back to play with Rivals. It's not me only this time. Actually, my brother. So yeah, if you can hear him in the background, he's just a Tayo 30, 33 winning streak. But okay, I'm going to invite him in and let's play. Rank, Francho. Okay. So, my brother is sweaty. But okay, if you want more content, like and subscribe. And until until I'm trying to get just for now 10 subs. Let's see if you can do that for me. 10 subs. Okay. Going once. Verach. Going once. Going twice. Sold. Let's see if oh damn. How was that not a backstab? 37 1738. Oh, I like that. Hello. Backstab. Okay, let's see if we can win this game. I think so. Backstab. Backstab. Damn. I think the gold skin pay off. I know. I just got knifed. Franchise nie laag. Hy's laag. Hy is laag. He's low, he's low. Our dogs is licking my toes. What's now? The most skilled weapon. Sniper was the most skilled and the best weapon. I was OP with sniper until do you remember that time the sniper did 75 damage? That's OG days. Uno, reverse. Where are they spamming? Oh. Oh, why are we playing a nice skilled person? Backstab. He's low. That's crazy. And auto shoot. I don't know why. The bro's trapped. That's super unlucky. He got this and he don't. I am now going to play this game. Raja, this game is like Rivals, but no auto shoot, no hackers, but anime. Look, I'm a beginner in this game, but it's very fun. Damn. Okay, I'm just a beginner at this game. Hopefully I'm not playing a pro. Okay? Wish me good luck. $45 and I'm there. Stop it. You're tickling my toes, doggy. I'm playing against sweaty players. First kill. Yay! That's nice damage. Damage. Damn. That's insane damage. Am I going to clutch? Oh. Why are you super saying now? Okay. If you want to. Fuck. Let's play. The Super Saiyan is super OP. The Super Saiyan carried him. That's the problem. I'm almost ending the video, but I'm going to start a quick one next because I don't know why, but the videos only shows for me I'm allowed to do 15 minutes. But yeah. Okay. But yes. A last minute before I end it. Ah, that bro is hacking. But yeah. Bye for time. And please remember, like and sub. Bye.